Let us now meet the starters. First, for the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Chandaman Lapid. Millbucker, number 6, Shaila Tan. Setter and their team captain at number 9, Jamie Yuma. Outside hitter, number 11, Judith Abel. Opposite hitter, number 13, Audrey Rose Nocon. Millbucker, number 18, Danica Gindrauli. Starting libero at number 8, Rhea Manuel. Head coach, Mr. Ricky Marcos. Calling on our judiciary justice servers. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 2, Alele Boras. Opposite hitter, number 4, Josephine Dalio. Outside hitter, number 5, Jamila Angeles. Millbucker, number 6, Lerma Tubog. Another middlebucker, number 11, Arnie Pesebre. Setter, number 12, Mitch Alcanza. Starting libero at number 9, Sheena Castillo. Head coach, Mr. Arnaldo Dino. It's the Suffragettes versus the Justice Servers. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Okay, handa nang sumayaw si Judith Abel. Hindi mo pinagkagawa doon sa service area. I-express stretching para naman. Parang ikaw yan, hindi tumataba through the years. Ano? Talagang may ganong body type talaga na. Tingnan mo, no? Talagang,
Yeah, safe. Very safe.
nakilala ko si Judith, yan na. Okay, itong Comelec, back to volleyball, ay isa sa mga bagong teams natin. But what an impression they have made in the tournament so far. As you are correct, they are definitely one of the contenders here. Huh? First attack, go ahead.
Yeah, they actually started the tournament very strong. No? They had 3 straight wins at yung mga panalo nila. The first match was against BFA in straight sets. Tapos yung next 2 match nila, 5 sets na napanalunan nila against PNP and the Senate. So si AFP ang naging unang talo nila when they lost in 3 sets.
Yung Senate game nila, no? Napakahaba nung bakbakan na yun, and they ended up winning that. In the meantime, the judiciary is at 2 and 3, trying to stay close to that 4th spot to at least get a chance to make that. In the meantime, that is open, and that is 2-0 in favor of the Comelec. Abiel will still serve. Go ahead, please.
For Comelec, definitely, yeah, that lady honors queen Judith Abel and Gindrauli would be who you would be expecting no, to produce the most points para dito sa Comelec. On the other hand, dito naman sa judiciary yan, yung si Arnie Pesebre. She would be the main attacker for judiciary.
In the meantime, a call of 4 touches issued against the Comelec. Of course, our tournament format. Each team is allowed 4 imports. Only 2 get to play at a time. And one unique aspect of our tournament is everybody plays.
You know, I think that makes it difficult for the coaches.
Yes,
no?
I was about to say the same thing.
Kasi you really have to think of all the best combinations. Hindi yung basta-basta ipasok mo lang para makalaro eh.
On the other hand, you try to get all of your players as ready as possible.
Yes.
In the meantime, that's inside. The judiciary ties it up at 2.
Good target mula dito kay Arnie Pesebre. She was able to hit that corner.
It's nice to see Boras back. We lost her the last one of the game before the last because she had to be in Baguio for judiciary duties.
Actually, I remember yung last game that I covered judiciary.
Humabol siya.
Galing siyang Baguio, di ba? So, buti humabot pa siya nun.
But the next one, hindi na siya nakaabot. And she stayed there. Angeles hitting it out. Comelec with a slight lead.
Ang hairdo ngayon ni Judith Abel, hindi na siya
Oo.
Nakusot na lang siya today. Yung kanyang sunny look.
Kala ko, mukhang binibining Pilipinas look. Mukhang kandidata. The meantime, Pesebre, cross-court attempt. That's not elevated as high as possible. by number 12, I believe. Check ko lang. Number 12. Comelec. Tama ba ako 12? 15 yan.
It's 15. Number 15.
Si Jean
Yes.
Rasos. 13 actually. 13. Si Noco nang hindi nakakuha. Samantala, there's a cross in the middle. And the Comelec regains the lead. Jane Yumang, their very able setter and team captain, is gonna serve. But mess it up. Malamig pa, malamig pa. Presembre all set to serve. Looked long, but it's manageable. And Rowley's passed it over to Abel. Here comes Angeles. He'll try again. It won't cross over. It's elevated by Alcancia. And Yumang will make the set. And that's inside, down the line. Sheena Castillo stared at the ball. It was about 2 or 3 feet in front of her on that line. This serve. Dug up deep. Alcancia tries to keep it in play, but it's a passing error, and that will count as an ace, actually.
Good serve from Zentrauli.
Alam mo, pag you're playing the good teams, hindi pwede passing yun, sloppy, at
Yeah.
maraming mistakes.
That's right. And we've seen it already, no, na parang malaking bagay talaga na yung first ball nyo is maganda. You know, a lot of, although we don't see combination plays dito, pero dumadami kasi yung option ng setter.
Regardless of level, actually.
Yes.
Diba? In the meantime, Yumang makes it a good set. Inabot kasi. Oy! Overcook. Agigil. Sabi siguro ni Judith, ay, walang blocker.
Walang blocker.
Ay, butas yung dulo. Ay, malakas. Ang gigil sa spiker na pag wala lumumang.
Oo, yeah. That's true.
Angeles. Yumang. Abil Bawe. Smart setting by Yumang. Pag ikaw nandito, may cookies. May dumadating na
Kaya nga
cookies.
masarap dito.
Nahalata ako.
Ganun ba?
7-5, Comelec Abante. Desebre, naisip ni Lupo. Ay, nahulog sa loob.
Good coverage on the side of Comelec.
Meron matubog, we got to know a little more intimately earlier. Loves watching TikTok, pero hindi daw siya gumagawa ng TikTok.
Gusto ko yung may disclaimer siya talaga na, pero hindi ako magtutunan.
Nanonood akong TikTok. Wala akong marunong. Hindi ako gumagawa.
Siguro feeling ko na sense niya na baka kasi dahil sinabi niyang mahilig siya mag-TikTok, baka ipagawa ni Nalina din sa kanya yun eh.
Alam mo, lakasan ng loob yung TikTok eh. Yung mga apo ko, pinasasayaw ako. Lolo! Kaya ko, pakakainin ko na lang kayo. Tigilan niyo ako.
Akala ko, hindi makakahindi si Lolo sa mga apo eh.
Mga grand nephews and grand nieces na ito. Yung mga dalagita, nagtitiktok. Samantala, we've got Jess with a report. Jess, go ahead, please.
After 7 Ivy, after that loss to BFP, the Judiciary Justice Servers is determined to go back on the winning column. According to Coach Arnaldo Dino, yung depensa nga daw at yung service nila yung nawala last game. Kaya for today's game, he instructed the team to play with confidence, play with heart, and of course, follow their defensive play. Meanwhile, for the Comelec Suffragettes, back to the drawing board after suffering their first loss of the season against the defending champs. As a team nga daw, nawala yung kanilang service and receive. Kaya yun yung mga kailangan nilang itama today. Coach Ricky Marcos also added that they have to keep improving their communication dahil ito nga daw yung magpapasiguro sa kanila that they take care of the little things. Back to you, Sir 7 Ivy.
Pag galing kang talo, no? Tama yan, Jess. Galing kang talo, ang dami. Lahat ng mali, lumalaki.
Yeah.
It's up to the coaches to make the correction.
That's right. So, but And it's a good point, because more than, of course, the skills, you have to perfect that. But even if lahat kayo dyan, excellent players, lahat kayo magagaling sa skills, but if there's no communication inside the
Good
court,
point, yeah.
that's really going to be very difficult.
Lerma Tubog unable to dig it up, and the Comelec increases its lead to 2 here in the first set.
This has actually been one of the strongest weapons of Comelec, and that's yung service nila. So, they've been putting a lot of pressure sa first
you were
ball.
saying?
Oo,
Yeah,
yan.
another ace for Judith Abel, who will continue to load up. Now, you make adjustments. If Tubog has had problems, who helps out to cover? The libero is too far away.
So, kailangan lang is paliitin lang yung area na
Yeah.
ino-cover ni Tubog. So, kailangan mag-adjust lang ng konti in terms of yung position.
And finally, you can't blame Judith Abel for targeting Tubog because she had, Tubog that is, misjudged and did not play well the last two serves. In the meantime, Boras will be serving.
Oh, that was a good serve.
Good ace. Coach Dino was also telling me that he was working on the spiking of Boras kasi she sometimes would hit pasampal hindi pababa She had good setups and she would approach correctly but miss out because she was mishitting it. Yumang sends it to the center and it's handled quite well by the main source of points of the Comelec Gendrali.
Gendrali, when she is there at the front line, you really have, ang hirap niyang basahin din, because she's really looking for those open spots sa depensa ng kanyang kalaban. So, malikot ang kamay
Excuse me, mahirap depensahan yung ganun. And meanwhile, mahirap din depensahan si Pesebre when she's hot. And she takes care of knocking that in. The serve now belongs to Alcancia. Yumang. And not enough height on that particular try by John Lamanlapit.
We're now tied 12 all.
2-point leads don't mean a thing here so far. They haven't lasted that long in this first set. Alcancia allowed to serve. Yumang down the middle. Gendrali almost lost her step there. Angeles shoots and Nocon is there. They will go to the middle. In the simplicity of the attacks here, you really have to be stable defensively because they are mostly open sets. Bihira naman nag-activate ng middle.
Right.
Wala nga, as you mentioned, combination play. So you gotta be steady in returning and keeping the ball in play.
That's right. So actually, one thing of you will notice here, and I think this is more evident sa mga nakukuhang imports, na it doesn't always have to be yung palakasan ng palo. Ang nagiging labanan dito ng mga imports, yung pagbasa ng depensa ng kanilang kalaban. Because it's really just a matter of, different directions like Pesebre. That's one of the talents that she has actually.
You were putting captions on that sequence as Pesebre did not exactly bullet it in, but gently tapped it to the open space. Rasos comes in for Nocon in the Comelec 6 on the floor. Alcancia will continue to serve. The Judiciary ahead by 2. Ayan, simple volleyball. So you gotta keep it in play. There's nothing wrong with the game.
Yeah.
But give them 1 year, 2 years. Maglulundagan na yan. Mahirap ituro yung mga combination plays.
Yeah.
Mahirap i-master yan.
Kasi it's not just about, it's all about timing also, yung mga ganon. Tsaka maganda din yung, mas madali kasi yung pag nagkakaamuyan na kayo ng kakampi mo.
That is so true. Then you're so comfortable with each other.
Yeah.
You know each other's moves. Our score right now is 15-13. The Judiciary has a slight lead and they have the serve. Pesebre will do that for all of us.
So the advantage that the judiciary has right now is they're exploiting the defense of Comelec. So first ball ng Comelec from the serve, they're able to put it up, pero yung galing sa palo o atake ng judiciary, dun sila nahihirapan.
Pesebre telling Castillo that may have gone out, but you know, as libero, once you're in volleyball, once you're committed, you jump for it. You have no choice. You might as well play it properly.
That's true. Meron akong this ang kasabihan na natutunan ko doon sa aking pinakaunang coach. Ang sinasabi niya, when you're in doubt, get.
Oh. Pwede naman maging greedy dyan sa backline.
Kasi kung hindi ka sigurado, kaya sa mapuntusan ka, kunin mo na lang.
That's true. At least you kept it in play.
Right.
Tabla po tayo sa 15. That 2-point lead of Judiciary did not last very long. It's been the theme of this opening set, actually. And Rowley serve. Pesebre handles it well. Here comes Pesebre from the back row. It's outside, but it's a check ball. The lead now goes back to the Comelec.
So this is good for judiciary kasi they're keeping things close. So hindi nila masyadong binibigyan ng kumpiyansa itong Comelec.
Yeah, in fact, because of the faulty passing of Comelec, as you were pointing out, nagkakaroon ng advantage ang judiciary. Ang ganda ng palo ni Abel. Excellent effort to keep it in play, but just too much heat on that one. Josephine Gallo with a gallant stand, but that won't work. And we are at 17-15. We'll take a short break.
Kasi pag tinalunan mo yun, yung lakas ng talon mo, lilipad ang bola. Hintayin nyo lang sa ilalim, banggayin nyo lang gano'n, naangat ang bola. Okay? 2 beses na yun, sa likuran ka. Diba, alam mo na, mag-free ball. Abangan mo na, pag mataas, ganito. Pag nag-check, puro ganito na rin nakapit. Okay?
Bawal ako mag-showman si Joe Sandra para may depensa.
Walang magsisit. Walang magsisit. Papasok ko si mamaya. Okay, ulit. Ha? Gandahan natin ulit yung depensa, makatake tayo.
Kulang medyo sa usap kayo. But you're doing good. Kaya niyo. Kaya naman ni Kaya. Kaya. Tara, untay mo. Kaya. Justice!
As always, parang Korte Suprema, si Atty. Inting ang uling magsasalita pag natapos na si Coach. Parang courtroom adjourn, parang ganun. Nakialam eh. Okay, Jess Constantino has a report.
Sir 7, Ivy, tubong Cebu, Dan Jendrauli decided to bring her talents to Manila in 2013. Mula noon nga, dala-dala ni Dan yung mindset na as a volleyball player, dapat lagi daw down to earth and never underestimate yung kanilang kalaban. That 32-year-old biggest achievement so far is when she represented the country and was able to play internationally from 2013 to 2017. Ang payo nga sa mga batang player, palaging makinig sa coach, be trainable, and that all sacrifices will be worth it. Sir 7, Ivy?
Thank you very much. If I am not mistaken, alam ko nag-beach
Yes,
volleyball.
beach volleyball. That's right.
Napakahirap ng sport na yun.
Oo. And I think it shows kung ano yung background niya. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, di ba, ang likot ng kamay. And she has this capability na she doesn't need to jump high. Nakukuha lang niya, dala-dala lang siya, pwesto-pwesto lang siya ng kanyang mga palo.
Kasi sa beach volleyball, pwestuhan lang yun.
Oo.
Bakit mo hatawin? Dalawa lang yung kalaban mo sa kabila. Baka malakas pa masyado yun. Pero tama yun. Yung likot ng kamay, really helpful in beach volleyball. All great tap. That time by Tubog. Oh, too difficult to handle for Angeles and Pesebre. Comelec advances by a point here.
Judith Abel now has 9 points rather, para dito sa Comelec. And for Judiciary, of course, as expected, it's Pesebre who's leading the score with the 6 points.
Of those points of Abel, 2 of them are from service aces, which we saw earlier. Long toss to Abel. Handled well by Gallo. Here comes a free ball from Boras. Abel, Yumang sets it up for Abel. And that will work. Open set. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Alam mo, nung huling time out ng judiciary, sabi lang, kaya naman. Tingin ko, kaya naman nila. Kailangan lang maayos nila yung laro nila.
Yeah, right. Then dumidikit sila, no? At actually, nagiging trend dyan, May lalamang ng dalawa ang Comelec, itatay ng judiciary. Lalamang na naman ng dalawang Comelec, tatay na naman ng judiciary.
Here's Boras knocking it down the line there with the Comelec defense ending up grappling with it. And the serve will belong to Gallo. Josephine and her serve just doesn't cross over. Almost had a chance. Suddenly Comelec with a 2-point lead. And this is that part of the match. You cannot make service errors. Dolorosa comes in for Gallo. Charlatan will serve. Castillo is there. It becomes attack mode. Nice push by Abel. Boras. Gendrauli digs it up. Abel chases. Pesebre stretches. Boras resets. And Boras with some points here to bring judiciary within a point.
So this is a strong start actually for Boras. In your last, I think it was the last game no, na parang wala siya masyado sa kanyang element eh. Yung hirap siya with the attack. She's not able to. Yung sinasabi mo siguro Sir Sev, no, yung kung ano yung tinrain sa kanya ni coach kasi nga hindi niya makakuha yung clip ng wrist eh.
I mean, that time she just misjudged that. Comelec with a 2-point lead, and I guess of late in the last 2 weeks she's been traveling a lot to Baguio. So do not underestimate the wear and tear of
Correct.
having to be on the road. Although kahit na may tiplex na, it's shorter, but I'm sure plus the work there she had to do.
Oo, yeah.
Abil. Lalim ng pinagbunan.
That was a good pass.
Yes, indeed. Nagawa ng paraan. And Drowley. Abil sends it to the very ice cold Catherine Dolorosa. Coach Dino wants to huddle up.
Hindi na kayo nag-uusap kung sinong kukuha. Unahan nyo na. Kitang-kita na yung bola, unahan nyo na kagad. Mag-usap kasi kayo sa loob ng court. Pag hindi kayo na mag-usap, ganyan lang ganyan. The whole day, ganyan lang ganyan mangyayari niyan. Papakahirap yung dalawa sa harapan, mag-set, pumalo. Hindi kayo didepensa. May hirapan tayo niyan. Pag walang depensa, walang palo. Bawi tayo. Tatlo pa yan, no?
Magtanda na kayong mind para hindi tayo nag-aagawa na. Tara,
Focus,
let's go.
focus. After this, yung ani, mag-usap kayo bago
Tatlo
pumasok
lang yan,
ha.
tatlo
Bago
lang yan,
pumasok,
tatlo lang
mag-usap
yan.
kayo. Justice!
Sarap nakakampi ni Atty. Indeng, ano? I'm reminded of Abby Maranyo. Si Abby ang konsyensya ng volleyball.
Oo. So, but you know, it's true, no? One of the things really that they just need to improve on is the communication inside the court. Kasi the errors that they commit o yung points na nakukuha din ng Comelec, most of it is just because, you know, they're not sure who's going to get it, yung tamang, kung sino nasa tamang pwesto.
Pwesto mismo. Tatlo na ace ni Bill.
So all of the service aces of Comelec was actually courtesy of Judith Abil.
Oo nga. Oh,
Oh, that was a better pass.
kahit nagulat siya. Pesebre. Suddenly, bagsak ang energy nitong judiciary as Comelec arrives at set point. Abil playing a red-hot game so far with 12 points. Half of the production already belongs to Abil. Yumang, nice spike that time, but handled well. Rasos firing away, kept in action by the libero. That's Resio. Oh, sorry, that's Rodriguez. the meantime, here's the tap, and Rowley with a swipe. Siyempre says, tabi dyan. Lumang, Gendrauli. And we're done. Di na naka-recover yung Judiciary, Ivy.
Yeah, that's right. And that last sequence, actually, palitan lang si Gendrauli at si Pesebre.
And the
The Comelec Suffragettes
front
took the
line
first set at
taking care of
25 to
business.
19.
Some lapses
And now
by the
lead the
Judiciary
match.
defensively. Let's see if they can make some tweaking and adjustments going into the second. Natapos 1 first set at 25-19. You know, the score does not tell the whole story. It was close and tight in the early goings. Humiwalay na lang at naging mas consistent lang yung Comelec ng bandang dulo.
That's right. So the struggle actually of Judiciary, again, we mentioned this, no? It's not really about yung the skills itself, but it's more about their communication inside the court. So there's usually just some confusion when it comes to who's going to get the balls and sino ang didepensa sa ang lugar. And Comelec naman on the other hand was able to exploit that. Comelec, yung nagkaroon din sila ng struggle with their reception. So the first ball from the serve, they're able to pick it up nicely, pero yung mga galing sa palo ng Judiciary, dun sila nagkaroon ng struggle. But yun nga, because of the errors as well committed on the side of Judiciary, this was what made it easier for Comelec to get set number 1.
Okay, just to rewind, don't forget that team standing-wise, maganda ang position ng Comelec actually.
Yes.
Now, if you are the other side, the Judiciary, you're trying to improve on your team standing so that you do not fall too far behind. Ilan na ba yung Comelec?
Well, Comelec has 3 wins and 1 loss. So they're currently number 2. So kumbaga, Judiciary kasi nandun sa bottom half eh. So siya yung number 5. So nangunguna siya doon sa nasa bottom half. But yun na nga, the thing is, very tight kasi ang labanan nung 2, 3, and 4 ng teams na nasa 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. So that means, kung ganun ka-tight ang labanan ng 3 teams na yon, it's not going to be very easy for Judiciary unless na talagang they get all the wins that they can.
And if you're Comelec, you don't want to lose anymore, so that you want to keep in step with the leader. And you're down by just a game and a half. In the meantime, just about ready to get the ball into play for the Comelec. Rather for the Judiciary, we have Yuboko, one of the guest players, seeing action for the first time. And Rowley whips it right between 2 defenders. Jennifer Yabut, one of them. You gotta be alert each time pag nasa back row ka. In fact, kahit sa front row, but more so in the back row because you're the first pass. Abil. 2-0. Comelec creating some room here.
Judith Abil with her 4th service ace, if I'm not mistaken.
You're right. Looks like a high-scoring afternoon for Judith. You were saying that's 5 aces.
So again, this has been one of the strengths of Comelec, yung kanilang serve. And this is also one good strategy rin to earn the points. Kasi syempre, in this type of tournament, we all know naman na ang receiving skills is not at the highest level yet. Right? So magandang opportunity to exploit yung putting pressure at the service line.
And look at this, Abil is just going to do it by herself, I suppose. 6 aces out of the 15 she has produced.
Siguro sabi niya, para makapagpahinga yung mga teammates ko.
Oo naman. Ako na magtatrabaho. In the meantime, ball is on the net.
That's what we're talking about, no? That last serve by Judith, not really a service ace, but she made it difficult para dun sa receiver.
May mga serve talagang mahirap
Oo.
i-handle.
Yeah.
Pag sumasayaw sa area,
And it doesn't necessarily have to be a strong serve.
Oh,
Yung
no.
mga floater, yun yung mga mahirap din yung i-receive. Yung mga biglang nag-change ng direction, biglang bumababa.
or tatop spin, taas ng lipat, tapos bababa. Abi! Whoa. Lost balance and control but did not fall. Judiciary scratches its first point. Marley Boras and Rowley whips it over. Becomes a set for Pesebre, too low. Jennifer Verhel and Pesebre not exactly in sync yet. 6-1 Comelec. Attorney Ira Abigail Fernando. Parang at pangalan ng attorney sa telenovela.
Oo.
Diba? Attorney Abigail, kamusta ka na? Ano ginagawa mo sa kaso? Matagal na nakabinbing yung serve mo. Mag-serve ka na. 7-1.
Another good serve,
Ay,
but that
pero
went
malakas
out.
lang. Second point of the judiciary. Verhel and unable to get it across. Alam mo yung serve na underhand. Pag nininervyos ka, ang lakas ng mistake probability niya. No? Compared sa spiking
Yeah.
serve. Okay, Jess, anong meron? Anong chismis dyan?
Sir Sev, communication yung main challenge ng judiciary justice servers at nung first set. Before the start of the second set nga, Attorney Inting encouraged the team na kaya naman daw yung kalaban, kailangan lang talaga nilang mag-usap sa loob. She also added that they don't need to sulk on their errors nga daw, ang mahalaga, makabawi agad sila. Let's see how the justice servers will respond to this. Balik muna sa inyo, Sir Seven Ivy.
And they're beginning to face a big mountain in front of them, Jess. And it's now 9-2 in the second set. Coach Dino needs to remind them of many things. Let's listen in.
Sabi umangat ang bola, makakaset tayo. Huwag mong masyadong malamyain, kahit lumayo ang bola, upakan mo ng upakan. Okay? Parang ano lang naman yan, parang sa isa lang naman yan eh. Upakan mo na ng upakan, kasi yung dalam niya.
Nasa ilalim kasi.
Ay di nga, kaya nga sabi nga sa'yo, hintayin mo muna maisit ang bola. Kasi mayroong bolang isinit ang bola, biglang palabas ng ganon. Pag nauna ka, mawawala ka talaga sa pwesto. Kaya hintayin mo muna. Hintayin mo yung pick. Pataas mo ng konti ang bola para makakahabol ka. O again, bawian natin tayo ng receive para makapalo tayo. Focus tayo.
Listen. Yung anim, hinga.
Justice!
Okay, kung nanonood ka ng volleyball form, you're not just starting. Nakakatakot na sport ang volleyball kasi upakan mo. Paluin mo.
Correct, yeah. So, but I think coach kasi wants more aggressiveness on the
Yeah.
side of judiciary. To be honest, hindi masyadong, how do you say, yung body language nila, it's not as confident eh.
Samantala, I love it when the refs don't call it. They see it from the top. And Pesebre says, that's a point. Just wanted to make it sure. 9-3. Pesebre, malakas, pero kinuha. Free ball. Abil, hala, pinadala sa langit. Set. That's out. Ay, mintis lang sa cross.
So So the judiciary would need to be very careful
Yeah.
about their errors.
I agree. Parang gusto ko sabihin kay Pesebre, palo mo lang, bow mo lang, huwag mo na yung angulo.
And the same message na Coach Dino had over at the timeout, sinabihin niya talaga si Arnie na gusto niya ng mas malakas na palo because yung mga placing and off speed kasi naiaangat lang din ng Comelec eh. So they really have to put on pressure.
Disgrasya ang nangyayari sa judiciary dito. Ha. This is not a six that is working well together.
But the main struggle really that they have comes from the service talaga ng Comelec. And that's what Coach Dean has also pointed out. Sinabi na niya na malakas ang serve. So hindi kailangan talaga nilang paghandaan ng reception.
Ano na yun, no? Lalo mo nung naglalaro ka ng high school. Pag re-receive ka, malakas pumala. Ayaw mo kasi masakit sa kamay.
Masakit, yeah.
But it's a pain that you sort of learn to manage. We have Tan going out and Victoria Hernan seeing action for the first time for the Comelec.
Would you imagine, no? Yung, syempre naabutan ko pa to, ayokong sabihin, pero yes.
Wag.
Yung puting bola.
Oo.
Kasi yung bola ngayon talaga, I love it kasi ang lambot, ang gaan. But
Nung araw, pag na-facial ka ng puti, ang sakit ha.
talagang for days magiging mistisa ka.
Nakastandby yung yelo nun eh, no? Pagka tinamaan mo nun eh.
Tsaka yun na yun, kaya mas feeling ko rin siguro that's why mas malalambot ang palad ng mga players kaysa sa atin dati.
Baka siguro naman yung digging skills ng generation natin ay mas maganda kasi ayaw natin tamaan ng bola.
Yeah. Kasi nga bigat eh.
Boras with a good strike. And Boras brings Judiciary their 5th point. Masakit talaga yung lumang bola. Which is a good development in the game. Kasi if young kids will play with that white ball nowadays, masakit. They may not like the sport.
Yeah.
Di mo naman pwede sabihin sa tiisin mo. Di pwede yun. Ganda ng set ni Yuma. Ganda, sarap paluin, pero tinapik lang ni Abel. Boras. And by the simplest method, Boras getting the 6th point of the Judiciary.
So this is a good run for Judiciary. They have a 3-point run here.
Boras is the second leading scorer for the Judiciary with 7, just behind Pesebre's 8. Ooh, and the serve, either receiving it is a problem or sending it over.
So I think, that's one of the things na Judiciary would need to work on as we progress into the tournament, yung kanilang service. Kasi kahit hindi mabigat, it's fine eh. Ang importante, maitawid mo yung service.
So to keep it in play.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yung sinasabi ko na yung in any game, what's important really is kahit na hindi kayo makapuntos, wag lang kayong mamigay ng puntos rather sa kalaban.
Like what happened in this sequence, Pesebre's standing spike refused to creep over the net. It's now a 14-6 second set. First set ended at 25-19. Judiciary was playing so much better in that first set, save for
I agree.
the last part. Yumang, middle attack. Abel, Pesebre wise to it. Kept in play by Tubog, but better defense. 3 ball forthcoming, and Rowley knows what to do. Good set. Isa pa. Kaya maiset. Boras. Yumang says, puto, kaya ko yan. Abel, sumasayaw sa ere. Ang saya ng babae nito talaga. Sasayaw ba yan?
Hindi siya nawawala ng energy actually. Kaya nung naging teammate ko siya, tuwa talaga ako eh.
Parang not a dull moment with a woman.
Yeah. Ako, lalo na pag nyari sa training.
Diba?
Ang saya-saya. Mawawala yung pagod mo. Yung ganon.
Mga gusto kong teammate ko sa kada, Abby Marano, Remy Palma, yung tawa lang ng tawa.
At hindi siya napapagod sumayaw.
Kainis ano?
Hindi siya napapagod sumayaw. Kaya yung na-observe ko sa kanya kanina, it's actually like a normal thing.
Kung naging dancer rin, mahusay siguro. Ah! Nahuli. And look at the smile of Abil. Ay, ako mali. 15-7.
But that was a smart move.
Yeah.
A very smart move from Iboko.
Hinulugan, taktak. 15-7. Lerma Tubog. Down the middle to Abil. That's a messy set, but Andrali was there. Andrali will somersault. Abil elevates it. Sinuntok na ni Andrali. Nainis na siya. And Totayo, lakas!
Boras was asking for a touch, but the referee awards the point to Comelec.
And suddenly, bigger separation. 16-7 po ang ating score dito sa ating second set. Comelec, our current second placer in the team standings. And Abel puts a finger on it, makes it 17-7. Sub will come in, or not before a timeout.
Kasi pag dikit, hirap si Aleli. Pag dikit ang bola. Lumayo mo ng mga ganyan, kalayo, pwede yan, kaya niyang paluin. Okay? Habol lang tayo sa bola. No, pag service, habol sa bola, tingin sa bola, bangga. Alright? Oh, wala tayong puntos, oh. Dami yan. Wala na tayo nang naiwanan sa puntos. Kuya natin sa receive.
Laban natin! Laban natin! Trabaho lang tayo sa loob.
Go.
Hey! Salang ha?
Isa. Chin up, guys. Body straight. Huwag kayo sa slouch. Kaya yan. Justice!
Alam mo, long term ang iniisip ni Coach Dino, no? Kasi maghabol tayo ng bola, magpasahan tayo, kundi iwanan tayo. Kasi if you just allow them to score points on you, what's the point, di ba?
Yeah.
Evangelista will check in for Yumang. Jess Constantino has an update. Go, Jess.
Coach Ricky Marcos instructed the Suffragettes to keep doing what they're doing to keep this lead. Defense nga daw yung kanilang puhunan sa larong ito dahil yung mga attacks nila ay okay naman na daw. Last reminder ni Coach, huwag ibigay yung momentum sa kalaban dahil sila daw yung mahihirapan kapag nangyari ito. Balik muna sa inyo, Sir 7 Ivy.
Thank you very much, Jess. Resho is back in for Tubog. 17-7 is the current score in the second set, and the Comelec beginning to look extremely good. And some of it is being done by the judiciary.
Yes, I agree. So yung errors talaga, no? So this is really what's hurting judiciary. They already have 8 errors here in the second set. Samantalang isa pa lang ang error ng Comelec.
And that's not going to help. Dolorosa tried to reverse tap it, but she had no idea of her distance from the net. Ends up giving the other side an 11-point lead. Good serve. Beach volleyball yun. Yung ganun taap na yun. Pabagsak ka na, itataas mo ng ganun yun. Hop! Yung rally. Oh, sabi, puto daw. Ball up.
So we have, I think there's one player from Comelec who's...
Oh, this is interesting.
The play was stopped in the middle kasi there's one player na... After she got the ball, she was holding on to her knee. And then hindi na siya nakaalis doon sa kanyang pwesto. So I think she was saying na parang she felt something or she... Pero nakangiti pa naman siya, so I think that's a good sign.
Sabi niya, ang malas ko naman itong araw na ito, minsan lang ako lalaro. Natapilok pa ako at nasaktan.
I think she was holding on to her knee eh.
some execution problems here from the officials.
So, Coach Dino was saying that it should not, the play shouldn't, hindi dapat tinigil, no? They didn't have to
They should
stop
have
it. But
ended it.
because
Uh-uh.
I think the player naman din kasi was, hindi naman, she was not down or anything, eh, diba?
And she actually helped by stepping out of the court para hindi rin siya istorbo sa teammates niya. But I think from our execution point of view, the point should have been completed first and then, well, the referee's contention right now is if it happened to you, judiciary, I would have done the same. That's also valid. But you know, when you're behind IB, lahat, susubukan mo para makahabol
That's
talaga.
right. At siguro, I think sa perspective ng ating referees, syempre they're thinking about the safety of the players.
Yeah,
Also, you have to
that's
remember, these are not professional players.
Totoo yan. Touch last. Boras getting a good game going here.
Well, that would actually have gone outside already, so that was lucky for Boras at last touch from Comelec.
Victoria Hernan handling it last. And Yuboko. Kargado. Di mo nakasimangot si Yuboko. Parang talagang ibabaon niya eh. Pero alam mo, love ko sa volleyball player. Pag nakakaputo, yung pag-swing ng bola mayabang. Love na love yan. Kaya.
Oh, yeah. Lalo yung malakas na palo, no? And then, naiangat mo ng maayos.
Yun.
Yeah.
Di mo, kasi minimize na yung taunting eh, di ba? Gusto mo sabihin, puto. Pero yung pag-swing mo, mayabang na eh. Which is fun to watch actually. Oy, check first time to see action. Masyado ng malaki ang distansya, 28. Abil, ang ating dancer. Sayang. Nasa ilalim ka ng bola. Attorney Fernando. Gusto ko yung pangalan niya. Pang-telenovela. Tinatawag si Attorney Ira Abigail Fernando. Lumapit sa husgado.
Parang pinapatawag siya ng judiciary.
Kasi ang Comelec parang korte din yan eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi may justices, parang ano yan eh, ganun din ang structure. Samantala, 2010. Ikaw, hindi mo naisip mag-abogado.
Parang masyado maraming i-member.
Ayan. Pero kung ikaw, abogado, ikaw kukunin kong abogado. Palagay ko ba nanalo tayo?
Talaga?
Oo, yan ang tiwala ko sa'yo. Eto, yung palo ni Andrauli. Tinaas ng judiciary. Tinaas ni Pesebre. Tinaas ni Abel. Abel kinuha sa ilalim. Hala. Pesebre gets it to connect. Ano nangyari, Jess? Doon sa player nating nasaktan.
Sir Seb, Rosemary Evangelista is currently icing yung likod ng kanyang tuhod dahil pagtalon nga daw niya, nakaramdam siya na parang sinuntok yung likod ng kanyang tuhod. Right now, 1 out of 10, 5 yung kanyang pain pero kaya pa daw niyang bumalik sa game. Sir Seb?
Okay, let's see if she manages to return. Thank you very much, Jess. And Rowley with a fingertip on the action gives them a 10-point lead.
But that's good to know that doesn't seem like a serious injury and self-assessment is kaya naman niyang bumalik sa game.
Baka lang pag-gising niya bukas sa umaga. Diba dyan usually yung mga pain, ano?
Yeah, it's normally during the game, sometimes you don't feel it. I don't know if you want to play.
Uwi mo, nag-refresh ka.
Yeah,
bukas sa
doon mo
umaga.
manaramdaman.
Bakit?
Some sprains are like that. Kasi experience like that. During the game, na-sprain ako. Tapos na-tape ka lang, babalik ka ulit. So parang wala kang nararamdaman. Adrenaline rush ng game eh.
Padyak
After
eh.
ng laro, bigla siya sasakit. Bigla ka na lang hindi makakalakad.
Kung kasama mo pa nanay mo sa bahay, sabihin ng nanay, ano nangyari sa'yo?
love that. Very old school yung padjak natin.
Diba? Diba? Diba?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Diba? Padjak-padjak lang
Oo,
yan.
yes. Pero ngayon, di na pwede yung padjak. Sa atin, sa atin lang ata yun.
Ay! Tinawagan ng double contact. Yes. The call most hated by setters, the double contact. It simply means the spin of the ball and the way it was tossed was not clean. It ends up like you're doing it twice with one hand after the other. Oh, sharp and true.
So, good setup by Humang to Gendrauli. And this is what we can expect, you know, if they are given a good set. They're able to approach well.
Yes. And then Rowley has chipped in 10 points. Abil has 18. Oh, and the spate of errors continues to pile up for the judiciary.
So they're really struggling with ball control. So that's what I see here with the judiciary.
Set up for Pesebre. Tapos halata na yung opensa nila. Isa lang ang pinupuntahan.
Yeah.
The jack is there. Hinabol. Abil from the back row. Kept in play by Resio. Gendrauli standing spike. Dolorosa, Pesebre. And the judiciary steals the point.
I can feel the fatigue of Arnie Pesebre. Kasi, yung ilang sequence yun na siya kukuha ng first ball, sa kanya din ibabalik. And then you would also see her na pagka may mga misreceive, isa pa sa mga humahabol din sa bola.
However, Arnie says, take that ace. Pesebre now with her first ace. She has 12 points based on 11 attacks.
Another good serve.
Tulis na tulis. Kaliwete pa. Set point ulit tayo. Baka maging maiksing hapon ito. Baka bumalik pa ng opisina ito. Judiciary.
Abot pa sa kanilang
Sa meeting ng alas 2. 17 errors by the judiciary in sum. Good strike. Wow. And we're done. 25-15 is the count in the second set. We'll have the third set ready for you very shortly.
The Comelec Suffragettes took the second set at 25-15. They now lead the match 2-0.
Okay, yan po ang ating score. 25-19, 25-15. Ano ba nangyari, Ivy?
So better performance on the side of Comelec. But, you know, I think Comelec really did not do anything special or extravagant. It's just that Judiciary is not performing at their best today. Judiciary, in fact, have more attack points in set number 2-10 as against only 5 of Comelec. Pero what really made the difference for the Suffragettes are the 9 aces that they have committed. So, ang laki ng disparity sa atake. So, that means, kaya din plus the servers. It's just that, hirap sila sa kanilang first ball. 9 big service aces in set number 2.
Compounded by 10 errors pa. Ay, sus. Hindi ka nga makakapasa, hindi ka makaka-atake. So ito, yung isa pang import ng Comelec ay finird na nila si Sandra De Los Santos and she's serving. I have to agree with you 100%. The fatigue Pesebre must be feeling right now. Huh? But siya lang ang nagdadala eh. Oh, she does everything. Iba din yung yabang ng Yuman. Gusto ko siya. Diba? Huli ko yan. Kaya ko yan. Yung swag niya iba eh. Yan lang ang palo nyo. Taas ko yan. And it helps you to play well eh. Because you feel you can get every ball eh.
That's right.
In a subtle way naman si Chisaet, yung mas nakasmile pag ginawa niya. Eh.
Oo.
Hindi ka maiinis doon eh.
Kasi ang ganda ng ngiti niya. Pasit lang ang ngiti niya. Parang walang ibig sabihin.
Minsan yung pag nakakausap, ayan ka na naman, nagpa-tweetams ka na naman. Attorney Inting will make this a little more enjoyable for the judiciary that's hounded by a 2-set-to-love lead. Boras is getting a rest here. And Attorney Inting will be serving. Such a bundle of energy. Tinanong ko siya, ma'am, ganyan ka din sa opisina? Yes! Parang sinasabi niya, nagtanong ka pa. Ganda ng palo. Sakto! Number 2, the other import, the fourth, is China Tanagan, knocking that down. And here comes the serve. Rasos, who had played earlier. Pesebre, did she get it? No, she did not.
Pesebre was trying to target yung mga, of course, yung mga weaker receivers inside the court.
Subukan niyang angulohan din eh, no? And in the meantime, Rasos whips it in. Nako, yung back row talaga ng judiciary. Yan ang bubugbugin sa practice in the days to come. It's now 4-1. Off day ng judiciary, eh? Really off day.
Yeah. Again, the errors that they're committing that's actually what is helping Comelec win. Kaya nasabi ko nga kanina, Comelec's really not doing anything very special eh.
That's so true. They're playing their game and allowing the other side to just mess up their day. 4-2 ang ating score after Rasos was unable to put that in play. And this is also not put into play, giving Comelec their 5th point. Pero you can't blame them also yung nervyos ng serve, ano? Hindi naman po ito mga professional. Nasa TV sila. May tawao.
At pinaglalaban kasi sila din dito, di ba? So it's not just na laro-laro lang talaga.
Hindi, oo. Samantala, good pickup by Angeles Pesebre does what she does best and scores the judiciary's 3rd point. Pesebre now with 13. Yumang. Nicely done on that toss over. Oh. And we'll make it 6-3 or 7-3. I think 6-3. Attorney Noco, number 13, is back in the game. In the meantime, all set to serve. That's in play. That's China Tinagan. Whipped over by De Los Santos. Gentle tap. Number 1, that is Manlapit. Nice drop. Bajek. Got it. Gusto magpalit ni Coach Dino ng tao, babalik niya si Boras. Kailangan niya ng attacker eh. Si Atty. Kahit anong mangyari, she will not let the world affect her.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Bahala. Yan, basta ako smile. I will again just try my best. Yumang setting up that shot by De Los Santos. Boras. It's still alive. Free ball. Set up job. Bejek. Jam. Esebra sees a hole, but it's filled up very quickly. Boras missed it completely. And Lapid is all set to serve. Sebre still at work. Lakas. Coach Dino will try again as his team has fallen behind him.
Diretsuhin mo lang, diretsuhin yung block na yan. Yung ganong klaseng palo, lalabas na yung bola nun. Magche-check ball na yun kasi hinahawi mo lang hinahawi. Diretsuhin mo lang, diretsuhin. Huwag mo lang ibaon. Ha? Pag binaon mo, mas mabilis natin ang bola. Yung diretsyon ganun ng bola. Diretso mo sa block, diretso lang. Okay? Kung matakot. Ganun din naman. Kung outside ang bola, di outside. Di ba? Kumpiyansa, binubuna natin ngayon dito.
Iko-cover sa likod mo.
Oh, go.
Walang apat lang ha. Guys, apat lang.
Listen.
Tigil, paa mo.
Everybody's like, relax lang. Laro. Okay, huwag kayo mas-stress na nagiging, naghawa-hawa na ba? Okay, huwag kayo ma-frustrate. Laro. Let's go. Justice!
Okay, Jess, what do you have?
Number 7, Ivy, Judith Abel is currently on the sidelines right now as she is nursing her pinky finger on her left hand dahil bumaliktad daw yung kanyang kuko sa isang play during the second set. Currently, all smiles pa din si Judith while icing that finger at babalik pa din naman daw siya sa game after mabandage yung kanyang kuko. Balik muna sa inyo, Sir 7, Ivy.
Alam mo, sa dancer, baliwala yung kamay. Magagawa ng paraan yan. Yung paa ang problema sa dancer. Yung projection lang yan, madam eh. Galing. Ang ganda gumalaw ni Abel eh, no? Kasi graceful siya eh. Nicely done. Ganda ng hulog na yun.
De Los Santos finding that spot. An open area in the defense of Judiciary.
Ayan, kaya yung teammate mo. Gulo-gulo. Pero bawat team kailangan ng ganyan tao.
Yeah.
Bawat team. Kailangan ng ganyan spirit eh. Itataas. Pinalo ni Bejek. Si Dolorosa magseset. For Bejek. The
The
net is shaking.
net violation error by De Los Santos. Like also what Coach Dino mentioned over at the timeout, na kumpiyansa daw ang kanilang pinaglalabanan ngayon. So, he's not really very, he's not putting so much pressure on the girls in terms of kailangan rumisib kayo, kailangan gawin nyo to, kailangan gawin nyo yan. You know, it's kailangan lang is makuha daw nila yung kumpiyansa. So that's basically saying na you have to play your game. Diba? Huwag mong sasabayan o wag kang makikisabay doon sa laro ng kalaban.
Okay, in the meantime, our referee talking to team captain Yumang. Somebody is misbehaving. Diba, ang sarap ng swag ni Yumang. Okay, dead man. Okay lang.
Very cool, no?
Cool. Kasi kung yung setter mo, tarantahin, parang
Lahat na kayo matataranta.
Oo.
That's true.
Kita mo yan sa magagaling na setter. Kim Fajardo, Chisay. Yung mga kalma lang.
Yeah.
Pia Morado. Diba? Kung tarantahin yung setter mo, naku. Umuwi ka na. 9-6. De Los Santos. Dolorosa. Bijek says, huwag ka nang babalik.
So Bijek providing the support that Pesebre needs here, scoring a point for Judiciary.
Long, but it sails in. De Los Santos, too far. No chance to even lift it high. The Judiciary is really struggling here. Melinda Mendoza Villapando unable to get to it. Comelec buoyant here today. They're playing their game. Oh, great pick up that time. Tony Nocon hard at work. Nocon keeps it in play. Excellent dig. She smiles over it, enjoying the opportunity to make a contribution. Yan ang puto. Inspiring yung teammate na ganyan, ha? Yung balik lang ng balik ng bola, para kang pumapalo sa pader.
And that puts a lot of confidence on your team as well. And yung effect na meron din yan sa pumapalo.
Para kang mahihiyang magbaba ng bola, maibagsak mo pagka ganyan ang kakampi mo katibay. Set. Net brush. It will be De Los Santos scraping the net again. Sabi ni Atty. Nocon, mas mahirap ang mag-judge ng eleksyon.
Mas madali ito.
Mas madali ito. Okay, that's outside, and 2 successive points by the Judiciary. Brings them within 2. Bijek will be serving. Joanna served just above the net, and the Comelec running into 3 straight errors here. They've fallen behind. Oh, they're still in the lead, but eto na ang Judiciary, nagising.
So the question here for Judiciary would be if how long can they sustain it?
Yeah. Net touch again. And it's a lift. It's a catch and throw. And suddenly 4 straight points by the Judiciary that springs back to life. Let's listen in.
Timeout, Comelec.
Hey, Lapit. First ball muna tayo. Kasi kaya naman natin umatake, hindi lang tayo nakaka-receive. Same formation lang, wala namang nagbabago, di ba? Bumalik tayo sa 3-man receive pa rin tayo. Kino-cover lang ng imports, yung kaya nila i-cover. Pero syempre, dapat nakasuporta rin kayo. Setter. Same pa rin, ha? Ano kayo? Tres lang ba kayo ni Sandy or ni Quick? Pag maganda, Quick. Jai, kung kaya mo, haba mo lang, naka-forward sila, ha? Receive tayo. Receive lang muna. Wala naman tayong ibang gagawin. Kailangan lang maka-first ball. Tapos tuloy-tuloy tayo, ha? Go.
Ba, nabuhayan ng Judiciary, ano ha? Sabi ng Comelec, bakit pinatatagal to? Gusto niyo bumalik sa opisina? Parang hindi yata exciting yun, ha?
Oh, dapat for
Bagay. Ano bang araw ng Huwebes?
Huwebes.
Ala! Laking bagay nito si Bijek, ha?
Well, she really has stepped up here for Judiciary.
Service ace, her first. Judiciary with 5 straight points. 6! Tama ba ako 11-7 kanina yan?
Yes.
Kalahin mo? Nakakatulog sa pansitan ng Comelec. Malaking bagay wala si Abil, eh. But the party doesn't last very long. Biglang nag-uwian. It's the Comelec getting their 12th point. De Los Santos in her serve. Ang lalim, and it's an ace. Comelec ties it. Sandra with her first ace and her 4th point. Just the first of 3 matches today. First match here has the Comelec winning the first 2 sets. Trying to make short work of the judiciary. Long. And the judiciary is back in the lead. Biglang nabuhayan yung judiciary, no? Tumatawa na sila. Kanina, bagsak balikat.
Right. Better body language now for judiciary.
Ang laking bagay sa volleyball, no? Yung hawa-hawa pagka nalungkot yung kakampi mo, eh.
Yeah. Good serve.
Oh, solid. Nice dig. Set up job. Pesebre cuts it up. Is it out? No, it's not. Pinabaon na ni Pesebre. Ibigay mo sa akin. Balik mo. But Angeles makes do. Nearly hit the net. Pesebre reaches for it. Doesn't get to it. Yumang with the set. The drop. Elevated. High. Para Mendoza Villapando. Angeles dinks it over. Habulan. And Pesebre wins on the joust.
One of the longer rallies we've seen so far here in this match.
And it's time to bring back Hendrauli. Can't keep her out for long. China Tanagan is drawn out. Now we tease about Judith Abel, but her absence has made a difference here in favor of the judiciary. Hendrauli misses the target. And that'll make it a 3-point lead for the judiciary. Joust, Pesebre battling, punched up by Hendrauli. Pesebre beginning to connect.
Good angle chosen by Arnie Pesebre.
Oh nga, wrist action eh. Jess, what do you have?
7 ay kilalanin natin itong si Arnie Pesebre, born and raised in Iloilo. Volleyball runs in the family nga daw dahil halos lahat ng kamag-anak niya naglalaro ng volleyball. For Arnie naman, she started playing the game noong grade 4 siya. Nagpalipat-lipat mula Iloilo hanggang Cainta. Pero yung paglalaro ng volleyball remains constant in her life. Alaga pa din sa katawan, 8 hours na tulog, at lumayo nga daw sa bisyo yung secret ni Arnie to stay fit at 43. What can you say about this, guys? Sir 7 Ivy?
Wow, special kid, 43 years old. Ayaw na sinasabi yun. Pero sabihin na natin. Kahampang pa sa volleyball. Okay. That's a compliment. Alam mo kasi, dati 40 seems to be matanda ka na. But you know, Arnie, nung isang araw kasama niya yung family niya. Gusto magpa-picture sa kanya. Ayoko, baka sabihin, anak ko kayo. Tawa ko.
But that's good, you know, because talagang in any sport naman kasi, you know, longevity talaga is very rare. Eh. So, but it's good that, you know, we have players na can still play for as long as they want. You know. Pero dito to siguro naman din kasi mahilig talaga sa volleyball yan si Arnie.
Sobra. Pag when it's in you, it's in you. Samantala, De Los Santos rather, replaced by Abel. And look at this, judiciary threatening to stretch this match. They lead by 5 here. Abel is back in the game. And Rowley inside.
It to the line.
Alam mo about others playing volleyball pa, ang daming mga former athletes, former UAAP players who may not have gone to the professional ranks. They still have weekend games during the week, di ba?
Yes. Actually, alam mo, doon ko nakakalaro yan si Arnie. Kaya ako sinabi sa'yo, talagang very conditioned yan.
parang the automatic cue is, may ginagawa ka? Pero tayo,
I agree.
kulang kami isa.
Oo. That's true.
Pagdating mo, tatlo pala kayo po. Which makes it more fun. 19-16 na score natin. Eto na si Yumang. Good heave by Bajek, who has made a difference for the judiciary here. And Raleigh zaps it in. Sunamwe. We have two balls set to come in. Both sides trying to come up with the big guns now. It's winning time.
Judiciary, of course, would not want to lose the advantage that they
Oh,
have.
sayang investment ba? 19-17 ang count. 17 serving. Yumang will almost mess it up. Gumapang lang sa net. Back-backan there. Ah! Walang assist si Andrade. Walang nag-cover. And it's a 3-point lead by the judiciary.
Pesebre, nandun pa sa sahig, pagtayo, talog kaagad, was able to score the point.
Now I agree with you that she's really fit. Nice slip. Oh, sayang. Alam mo yung motion ni Bidget, dapat ba dinalawang kamay ko? Wala na eh. It's reflex action na eh. One hand talaga eh. 18-20. And Rowley. Nice dig by Bajek. Down the middle with Agil. 20 points. Nasaktan pa yan, ha?
So with Abel and Jandrauli back in the court, this is going to be a tough assignment now for Judiciary.
Yeah, and Pesebre is by her lonesome here. Bajek will try to help out. Oh, great dig by Andrade. She gets it back. Bajek in a one-on-one duel. She fires away. Yumang kept alive by Comelec. Nice drop. Well done by Tubog.
Actually, si Comelec, no, it's easier for them to keep the ball alive pag galing sa palo.
Yes.
Pero pag galing sa off-speed or galing sa mga tips, dun sila mas nagsastruggle.
No, their libero, Attorney Rodriguez, kept it very much in play. Difficult save, actually.
It's true.
Yumang. Abil, sharp and straight and true. Alcancia will come back in. Giving Pesebre a short breather here. Hirap din mag-coach ng volleyball. Natatandaan mo lahat yung rotation.
Yeah.
Yung position, ano? Yung in and out ng libero, do you change the libero?
At saka yung combination din ng kung sinong papalitan. Like first yung sub, si Coach Dino, wala naman siyang katulog to monitor the substitution.
Kanya-kanyang school yan eh. Meron yung coach naguguluhan kung maraming assistant. Meron namang coach, gusto may assistant. Si Roger Dorayev, simple lang. Si Clint Malaso lang.
Yun lang ang kailangan niya bumubulong sa kanya.
Inside. Saka si Clint, alam niya na kung kailan guguluhin si Roger at hindi niya guguluhin. Eto na, Comelec, lamang na ng isa. 22-21. Makinig po tayo.
Gagalawan lang natin ulit eh. 3 puntos oh. Oh, ulit. Ani, balik ka. Kunin mo yung ano. Walang gustong kumuha ng bola ulit eh. Kuha tayong bola. Let's go.
Hey!
Kaya mo yan, Kay. Pinaulang nilalapag na bola yun.
Kaya mo yan, girl. Kapitan nyo lang. Tapos tulungan kayo sa loob, ha? Gaya kanina, okay? Tulungan kayo sa loob. Kaya. One more set. Justice!
Alam mo, in the future, si Atty. Ting yun, baka pwede maging assistant coach ni Coach
Oo.
Dino.
Yeah.
Kasi meron yung coach in technical. Diba? Meron yung coach yung good cop, bad cop. Diba? Pag pinagalitan ng coach, siya yung taga-amo. Tingin ko si Atty. Inting yun. Sipin mo, may kilala tayo sa judiciary. Eto, tinaas. Ganda ng disgrasya. Ito na yung Comelec. Sayang itong strikes na ito para sa judiciary.
That's right. So actually, itong turning point dito para sa judiciary, again, you know, it's the body language again shows, and I think yun yung point na sinabi ni Coach Dino kanina na parang walang gustong kumuha ng bola eh.
Abel directs it to a difficult area for the back row of the judiciary. Yumang with a good set. And look at this. We are at match point.
The struggle continues for judiciary. It's just receiving talaga ang naging nemesis nitong judiciary.
I agree. Match point. They save one match point.
So this is a very important serve. Pwede pang ita ito. Kaya pa to ng judiciary. But first, the serve must go in.
More than anything else. Sinigurado. Ooh, kinuha. Kinuha, out na. It was tempting eh. Umaatras. Kasi si Manlapit, wala na siyang judgment kung nasan yung end
Mas
line.
mataas yung bola eh. So di niya
tirahin ko
nakikita.
na.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's listen in.
Nasa harap. Nasa likod ka ba? Oo. Isang magandang sir. Lili, nasa ano mo na yan, ha? Ikaw na huling palo niyan.
Let's go. One set. Let's get one set.
Oo. Justice!
You know, sometimes that's all you can do. Get one set. Bahala na. The chairman is in the building.
But you know, that one set can change the momentum, of course, for judiciary. If judiciary manages to steal the third set, they can get a momentum here in the game. It can actually change the confidence kung makuha nila tong set na to. And I think mas magandang feeling yun because they will be coming from behind tapos nakuha nila to eh.
And here we go.
Better, hindi less nerve-wracking na service.
Mas control.
Oo.
Abel.
Buhay pa ang bola, they go to Arnie.
Why not? Yumang says, uwi na tayo! What a come from behind by Comelec. Tinrabaho nila.
Yeah, that's right. So, judiciary enjoyed a very comfortable lead. But Comelec, you know, just I think they played a very steady game.
Yes.
And yun ang judiciary kasi nga, I think yun din ang isang naitulong ng judiciary dito sa match. So this is not the usual game of judiciary.
They fell apart too early. Sino ang best player natin?
And I think very obvious naman who has done the damage the most. And not only in attacking but also at the service line. You have Judith Abel.